One of the main reasons we have formed Amplo Global Inc. Is to shift the thought process to execute strategy in an organization. When we deliver a strategy program, which I have delivered multiple times in my career before I started Amplo Global Inc., we always spend a lot of time in manual hours to create, let's say, a heat map or a business architecture, or let's say options for how an organization would be taking its growth path in the next 3 to 5 years. What we did with our flagship product, which we call Product Diva, it's an AI-led platform which measures and assesses organizations' Industry 4.0 capabilities. It automatically takes you through the best practices. We have 5 modules in place, from benchmarking to capability modeling to KPI settings to design thinking to roadmap, and really create a value-driven output where it prioritizes the programs that you would be doing in the next 3 to 5 years. And you always can come back and look back and see that why I made that decision 2 years back. So that's one of the main reasons we have productized strategy to create a forward and backward visibility to the CXOs. So that's one of the main reasons we have formed the organization, being experienced the frustration of certain leaders to go back in 5 years or 10 years and understand why he or she has or had taken that decision. And the second reason of forming this organization is holding the value and the belief and the truth of 4.0 revolution. Of course, tomorrow there can be 5.0 revolution. How do I hold the hands of an organization and really march them forward in that direction with learnings from the past, and that can be an input to the present, and execution of the programs at present, and then how do I take this and make sure that I save some cost, push for innovation, and create the new business models, revenue models for future? So all these are happening in this era of digitization. Digitization is such that it's either you will be a digital company or you will not be a digital company. If you have decided to become a digital company, you cannot miss the boat of 4.0 revolution. If you're not there, you would be there. If you are there, you are already in the right direction to embrace the next revolution. And last but not the least, the main reason why we are here today in the ecosystem is to connect, create impact, and really revolutionize how you would do strategy programs. And there are a lot of actions that we take within the organization from one business unit to the other in silo. We do not need to do in silo anymore. So if you are in order management or if you are in shared services, you will be able to appreciate where the other organization stands. When I say organization, means the business unit within the organization. And they really work in tandem to make sure that do you need to be ahead of the other business unit, or you can be behind the other business unit and still you'll be able to have a profitable business. So interoperability, interscoring, understanding each other's strengths within the various business units of the organizations are all very important to save cost and make investment innovation projects decision. So that's where our foundational reason to create Amplo Global Inc., which I call strategy in a box, or it's the new normal ERP of strategy. Thank you.